and welcome back to the channel, and today we are here in Algar Seco and I'm just going to show you around the views and everything else, and yeah, stay tuned.
Nowhere to be found, but I keep looking for it. Out of my sight, but I keep looking for it.
How'd you go back from here? There's a stairs. Oh yeah, there's a stairs here.
Vai, vai ser tirar? So we just enjoyed the natural pool here, and we're now figuring out what we're gonna do. We're gonna go eat, maybe we're gonna see the rest of it. Look at this. As you can see, they have the restaurants and bars down there. And we're just going to see what's around there, since there's a whole walk path. Why not? And yeah, so far this place is beautiful. We actually didn't know that this place exists, and you can see a lot of the boat tours come around here. This place is located in Lagos, the region of Lagos. It's part of Carvoeiro, but we are pleasantly surprised, and I think we came at a good time because it is May, it's quiet and less busy. I don't know how it is in the summer, so I can't really say, but yeah, really like every little corner there's a place where you can sit down, enjoy the view, which is nice, just like here. Building platforms here, really cool. So just in regards to the parking aspect of this place, there is space for you to park. There's a lot more space than you would find in any other area. The only thing I would say is close to the actual natural pool, there is limited parking. Upwards there is also a bit of parking, but once again, you're not going to find a whole massive car park for a beach. So likewise, this area, there isn't like massive car park. However, it is very different to other places like we went today, which was Praia do Marinho, which the car park is just a bit hectic. So it's a lot better than there. You would still be able to, even if you can't park there specifically, if you park elsewhere near the restaurants, it's not a great walking distance as it would be compared to other places that we've been before. You have to park like really far and then you have to walk and etc. No, it's actually very reasonable. So just to add that to the video is very important in terms of parking. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be posting more videos about our trip here in May. Okay, so once again, this is a video about Algar Seco, and hope you like it. See you until next time. Bye.